Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to charge your car battery without a jumper cable, then this video is for you. So first thing, you have to know that what you will need. So you need, before testing any of the soon to be listed methods, you may need any of these following materials like protective gloves, protective eyewear, wear brush or for cleaning, wear props with clips. Now method number 1, charge with a car jump starter. So this is not jump cable, it is a jump starter. So this is one of the most straightforward ways to recharge a car battery if you have a jump starter pack. It's pretty much plug and play. You can connect the cables on the pack of your car battery system terminals. Like here, sorry for that. So red to red and black to black, V is positive to positive and negative to negative. So turn on the portable battery pack to charge your battery just enough to start your engine. Next, turn on your vehicle and your alternator will immediately take over the charging responsibilities. So once you have connected it perfectly. Now the method 2 is charge by jumping. So as you know that we don't have jump. So that's why we are going to skip this method from here. Now method number 3 is charge by placing your battery in another car. So this is similar to jump steering as you need another vehicle with a working battery. However, you work directly with the batteries instead of connecting the two cells with a cable. It comes in hand when you don't have a jumper cable available. So here is a note for that. The downside of the method is that it erases your car's memory, since you will have to take out the battery. For vehicles with complex electronics, you can expect anything from minor issues like reset dates and times to major problems like unexpected stops when you slow down on the highway. So if you do go ahead, ensure the following before swapping batteries. So your battery shape and size are the similar dimensions as the other vehicle's battery, otherwise it won't fit. Your battery mAh rating should match that of the donor car. So if your battery meets all the conditions above, start the donor car with its working battery, then next take out the battery and put it in your vehicle. Then start your car with the donor battery and immediately swap it out from yours with your car engine running. This will kickstart the charging process and you can then return the donor battery to its original vehicle. Hope you got this. Now here is some tip for you. You don't need to turn on the donor car before removing its battery. However, they recommended here, like in this article, that doing this in case the donor battery is not fully charged and is unable to start the car. If that case, you can quickly return it to its original vehicle while it's still on. Otherwise, you have two dead batteries on your hand and a pissed off friend or volunteer helper. Now here is the method number 4 is charge with a solar panel. So you can quickly boost your car battery if you have a solar panel installed at home. Before starting the process, ensure the panel is compatible with the battery. Then connect them using the appropriate cable and disconnect them once the battery is full to prevent overcharging. Now method number 5 is charge with a Homo UPS inverter. Most homes have a domestic UPS inverter for power in case of blackout. An inverter gets power from a battery source, converting the DC power of the cell to AC power. The home inverter battery is usually a 12-volt battery, which is equivalent to most car batteries. Now, method number 6 is charge with a battery isolator. Recreational drivers and regular campers love having a battery isolator as a go-to option to recharge their batteries. A battery isolator lets you charge secondary batteries using the electrical from the vehicle's alternator. Now, method number 7 is contact a battery servicing company. So you can contact to your nearby battery repairing services so they can help you to recharge your battery. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.